What if you could transform your home into a luxury spa in just one day? Imagine melting away stress while stepping out with silky smooth skin. Welcome to Wax and Chill, your ultimate at-home self-care sanctuary. The mood is everything when creating your spa experience. Dim the lights and let calming music drift through the air. Fill your space with the gentle scent of lavender or eucalyptus using an essential oil diffuser. Declutter your space to signal relaxation to your brain. Prepare fresh towels, slip into a cozy robe, and keep your slippers nearby. Don't forget your hydration station. A glass of lemon mint water or a warm cup of herbal tea sets the tone for total relaxation. The wax you choose makes a big difference in your experience. At-home kits offer convenience, while professional-grade wax can give a smoother and longer-lasting finish. Pick what works best for your skin type and comfort level. Prep your skin with gentle exfoliation to remove dead cells. Cleanse thoroughly, but skip heavy lotions to avoid irritation. Remember, your mindset matters just as much as your technique. Take a few deep breaths and keep a calm headspace for a smoother experience. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. Pull in the opposite direction for the cleanest results. Hold your skin taut to reduce discomfort during removal. After waxing, soothe your skin with aloe vera or a light oil. This will calm redness and help prevent ingrown hairs. Enjoy the instant glow and smooth touch you've just created. Now it's time to reward yourself with pure relaxation. Sink into a warm bath filled with a bath bomb or soothing salts. Treat your face to a hydrating mask for an extra boost of self-care. Give your hair some love with a deep conditioning treatment. Slow down your mind with guided meditation or a few minutes of journaling. Or simply get lost in a book you've been wanting to read. Complete your ritual with nourishing snacks like fresh berries or a square of dark chocolate. Self-care works best when it's part of your regular lifestyle. Incorporate small daily rituals like morning stretching or nightly skincare. Choose products that make you feel special every time you use them. Mark your calendar for your next Wax and Chill session, because you deserve to feel this good, always. Your home is your sanctuary, so why not make it your spa too? If you enjoyed this guide, tap the like button and subscribe for more self-care inspiration. Share this with someone who could use a little luxury in their life.